Hey, what is up, guys? What's going on? Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Welcome to the 2-minute tip. Thanks for tuning in. Here's your 2-minute tip today. This is an item that you really should have it. It's just a really safe thing to have in your gear. It makes a lot of sense. You'll have other riders out there that will probably swear by it. It's all stupid until you need it. And this one item you can pick up pretty much anywhere. You can get it almost at any automotive store. You can get it at almost any Walmart, like I said, AutoZone, any of those types of places. And a lot of times you can even pick them up at truck stops and stuff like that, and some convenience stores when you're out on your trip. If you do run into some problems when you are out on your trip and you poke a hole or you damage something on your bike, this is a fantastic item to have. Yeah. JB Weld or JB Quick. JB Quick is really awesome. It's a two-part system. I can't find the other part of mine. You mix the two together. If you poke a hole in your radiator, if you damage something on your bike, or if you just have to weld something back together, this stuff is really awesome. You can mix it. It dries as hard as steel. You can sand it. You can drill it. It's really good stuff. This is something you definitely want to think about to put into your box or into your bag or anything like that in case you have any type of puncture that you need to fix and you need it watertight. Think about JB Weld. You can get some down in the description if you're looking for. Remember, anything that you buy through us, it really helps the channel out. JB Weld, think about that the next time that you're going out and put that in your bag. That's your tip in 2 minutes or less. You guys have a fantastic day.